Away guys, this is Given Black. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a song that I've released titled Peace Within. So I'm gonna be showing you every sound that I've used on the song from the beginning up until to the end. I would recommend you to listen to the full song before you view this tutorial so you can easily understand how I did the entire song. Let's get to it. This is my basic kick. I use this kick most of the time in my songs. On pattern 2 I've used attack heads. Pattern 3, another attack head. These ones are low. Attack heads again. Then I've used a collider. Then here I've used a fracture rim. These are my attack shakers. Shakers. These ones, it's a loop shaker. A GMS. Another GMS. Hypersonic. This is the lead on this song. This is a vocal hit. Another hypersonic. It's a little bass nyana. Nexus. Strings. Another Nexus to give the song an atmosphere below. nexus. This is another lead. Another nexus. So I've created a lot of atmospheric sounds on this song, just to give it a deep pressure below. Strings from Hypersonic. The last sound, it's a bass. Okay, time to hear the song. With all of those sounds we just listened to mesh together. Peace Within was made. Shout out to Nati, he's the one who did the piano on this song. Thank you for staying with me up until this time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Let me know below how you feel about the song and click that notification bell to see my next video. Peace.